So, hi everyone. So I've created a time sampling interval data sheet, as you can see on my screen. I'm going to use it in a minute to show you how I created it. So basically what I did was I watched the Couch to 5K video. In this I said the definition, I'm looking for positive self-talk, which is while watching Jasmine, we are looking for positive self-talk. Positive self-talk is where she makes statements to help her with her workout. So you'll be looking for verbal statements such as, "You got this, keep going, couch to 5K runner, almost there." So what we're going to be doing is the rules for this statement is you are going to take this circle. You're going to be observing behavior for 10-second intervals. During each 10-second interval, you're going to be either moving my circle up to the plus or down to the minus. That's basically just that simple. I have my timer tool right here. It basically is a workout timer, and what I did was I set it every 10 seconds. It's going to make a noise. So I'm going to go ahead and start it in here. It also is vibrating, which I really like for this as well. So I'm going to go ahead and switch over. I'm going to do this half screen. So I'm going to switch over, and I'm just going to briefly show this on Module 3. I'm going to move for us to start, and I'm gonna zoom ahead to basically the first minute one where she is getting kind of like on the treadmill. So let's go ahead, and I'm gonna start my timer, and we're gonna see how this goes. Okay, here we go.
This is so confusing. I don't know what this even says. Pace Cal Nets? What does that stand for? I don't know. Keep stretching. Brainstorm. Trying to figure it out. Is it hot here or what? Whew. Alright. Maybe we can change the channel. How can anyone renounce this? This is not fun. Where are the cartoons? I could vote. Excuse me. Can someone change this, please? I don't know what this is. The news? Who wants to watch that? Let's see. Turn on. Can someone help me with this? This is just so overwhelming. Alright, let's do this. Let's try 2.
Okay, so as you hopefully heard my timer go, and I basically just did a brief one for it, so you got to see her make all those comments, and I hope you see how easy it was to create this. Thank you.